In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Service Management for HR requests. We'll start by creating the HR service space where all employee requests will be managed. First, click Spaces, then select Create Space. From the available options, choose Service Management. This is the best fit for HR because it gives you a structured way to receive, organize, and respond to internal requests. Next, give the space a clear name, something like HR Help Desk, so employees immediately understand its purpose. After that, click Create. Once this is done, you'll have the foundation of your HR support workspace ready to go. Next, open your HR Service Management space and go to Request Types. This is where you define the kinds of HR issues employees can submit. Click Create Request Type, then add the most common HR requests your team handles. Good examples include employee onboarding, leave requests, payroll questions, benefits support, and policy questions. Creating these request types helps standardize incoming requests and makes it easier for employees to choose the right option from the start. When you've added them, click Save. Now it's time to add your HR team members. Go to People and click Add People. Invite the HR team members who will be handling these requests, then assign them as agents. This is important because agents are the users who can actively work on tickets, respond to employees, and update request progress. Making sure the right people have access from the beginning will help your team collaborate more efficiently. After that, set up the HR portal. Go to Portal Settings and add a portal name and description. Keep this simple and clear so employees know exactly what the portal is for. Then organize your request types into categories. This makes the portal easier to navigate and improves the employee experience by helping them find the correct request form quickly. When everything looks good, save your changes. Once the portal is set up, you can start managing HR requests. Open the Queues section to view incoming requests. Select an HR request, assign it to the correct HR agent, and then add comments and updates as work progresses. As the request moves forward, make sure to change the status so everyone involved can see where things stand. Keeping statuses updated is a simple but effective way to maintain visibility and avoid delays. Finally, track each request through to completion. Confirm that the employee's request has been completed, add a final note or solution for reference, mark the request as resolved, and then close the ticket. Closing requests properly helps keep your queue organized and creates a useful record for future follow-up or reporting. And that's how to use Jira Service Management for HR requests.